Hi, so I just wanted to do the same calculation using the basic calculator you get from your computer, and also using a Google spreadsheet just to give you some options. In your computer calculator, you can usually, it comes up as standard, you can usually switch it to view to scientific, gives you a little more options there, but you don't have to. Okay, so you got to remember the order of operations says brackets, exponents, multiplication, division in the order that they appear, and then addition, subtraction. So I'm going to do these little brackets in here first. So it's 1 plus 0.0275, and I'm going to find that answer, and that's to the power of 4, so x to the y 4, and I'm going to find that answer. And then it says subtract 1 minus 1 equals, okay, so that's what's in these big square brackets now, and that gets multiplied by 200, and then that whole thing, we've done the whole top now, and now we'll divide by the bottom, divided by 0.0275. Oops, 275. 0.0275. Pardon me. There we go. 833, which is the same as that it is here, 0.61. Okay. Another option is to use your Google spreadsheet. So you can do this a couple different ways, depending on how fancy you want to be. You could go ahead, because we're doing a calculation, so start with equals, right? And you can type the whole thing in here except for the division. Well, you could do the division too if you want to. Bracket, 1 plus 0.0275. Close the bracket. To the power of, so that's little hat, shift 6, 4, and then minus 1. Close the second bracket. So you can see I opened two brackets. Here's the little inside bracket, and then that's the second bracket. Side brackets are the square brackets, okay? And that's the whole top, and you can actually take that. I missed the 400. I could say 400, 200 times, 200 times. So I put equals 200 times bracket 1 plus 0.025, all the power of 4 minus 1, close the bracket. So I got two closed brackets, and if I want to, after that, I can still say divided by 0.0275. Let's see if that works. Bang, right there, okay? And this one as well, you can go ahead and have it do rounding for you, but that works. So it's all in one shot if you want, or you could have done it in pieces and said equals 1 plus 0.0275. Found that, and then you could have done your next step, says equals whatever that is to the power of 4, to the power of 4. Found that out. You could have said equals, now take that and subtract 1, and then you could have said equals whatever that was times 200 equals, and then said last one equals whatever that was divided by 0.0275, and we still get to the same place, showing all the steps across. You don't need to show the steps, but certainly you can work it out that way if you want to. Okay, thanks.